Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Lesleyanne if you are new to my channel, and my channel is mainly based on everything lifestyle. So today we went to Morrisons to get our groceries. Some of it will last like a couple of weeks, but not everything. But the thing is, we're having some of the grandchildren come to stay for like the last part of the school holidays. I'm sat in front of the fan, so I hope the noise isn't too bad for you, but it's oscillating and you can see when it comes round onto me because of my hair. But it's just so mega hot here again. So yes, went to Morrisons, got loads of fizzy drinks for them, loads of kid type stuff as well. So yes, it actually came to a fair bit of money, but they're worth it, right? So I'm going to show you now what I got in Morrisons. Okay, so I'm starting so randomly. There was no order to this because it's a big shop. You know, I just thought just take it out, get it on the table and film it, and then I can start to put things away. And oh, my back's killing me. And then I can make space. So I've got stuff here on the table and I've got loads more over there. So I'm just going to crack on with what's here. The only frozen food that we got was these seasoned fries. So they're in a southern fried style coating. Thought kids might like that. When I say the kids, I mean the grandchildren. Some of the grandchildren are coming to stay today. So, you know, you buy all the different bits and bobs and treats, don't you? Right, so they need to get put in the freezer. So I'm going to move them over here. Right, okay, let's crack on with this then. So I went to Morrisons. They had a lot of offers where they were two for £3.50. So I've got the strawberries and the grapes for £2.50. I've also got for £3.50 rather, I should say. I don't know if I said that or not. Some raspberries and some blueberries, £3.50. It's so expensive, everything, isn't it? Some salad onions, the large salad onions. Some pea shoots, these are delicious. Then over here I've got 3 packs of the Warburton's soft brown sliced thins. I actually intended to get the bagels and I've picked up these instead. And I didn't realise until now, but they will be just fine. 2 loaves of best of both Hovis and 2 loaves of Hovis wheat germ bread. And then over the back there, 6 salt and pepper rolls, the big ones, and then some donuts. These are the strawberry donuts, the best in my opinion. Teddy, he's all excited because he thinks I've got treats, of which I have, but he's not having one just yet. So yeah, these were not long ago were 50p. They're now 85. I need to put foil over that. Some fat-free Greek yogurt and some fat-free cottage cheese with chives. Mushrooms, I do have some more of those. Jam-wise, I've got the bramble jelly. I thought that'd be a nice change. A punnet of plums and a hand of bananas. A pack of light baby bows. I do have another one of those. Some cheddar cheese and 2 packs of the seafood sticks. Raspberry sugar-free jelly. I do have another one, but strawberry. And some cooked beetroot. Some celery and a cucumber and an orange and a red pepper. I've got a yellow one somewhere. And the Laughing Cow light cheeses, the little cheese triangles, and then amongst all of it here there are 10 yogurts, so you could choose 10 yogurts for £4. And as grandkids are coming, they like this sort of stuff, so I've got a bit of a mishmash. So I'm just going to make some room and get this sort out of the way. Right, so let's crack on here now then. I picked up 2 packs of baby potatoes and another, oh, the other one's over there on the table. So 2 packs of jacket potatoes, some mushrooms, there we go, some plug hole unblocker because the one in our bathroom, the sink's a bit slow, and some extra virgin olive oil, some Surf coconut fragrance laundry liquid, haven't used that before so I thought I'd give it a go, and a white cabbage, and then a reduced romaine, well there's 2 lettuce, romaine lettuce hearts there. Then at the back over here, 2 orange juices, fresh orange, and some semi-skimmed milk, so 6 pints there. And then these were all on offer, but when you've got the grandkids, well, hey, you know. Anyway, so we picked up a 6-pack of the sugar-free Tango, and a 6-pack of the what's this called, Tango Berry Peachy. Sorry if you hear howling, that's the dogs next door, so they must be going out, the dogs are howling. And then here we've got 2 of the sugar-free dark berry tangos, and then a, what's this one, cherry cola, I think Pepsi Max cherry, and then another one, and Diet Pepsi. So that keeps everybody happy. And then some non-stick foil and some bin liners there. A 4-pack of baked beans and a melon, some tumble dryer sheets. Whether or not we're going to afford to ever put the tumble dryer on, I don't know, but just starting to stock up. But they are very good if you pop them in your clothes drawers as well. They make everything smell nice. I don't know if I said, I don't think, but 2 jumbo kitchen rolls and a Honey Monster cereal box, and then over there just 2 bottles of diet lemonade. Right, and then over this side here on the table, some of the dog treats. So we've got the meaty strips, and then the these are called all sorts, so they're literally what it says, all little ones in there. And then these are the training treats. I buy quite a lot of dog treats, as you know, not just for my dogs, but because we actually board dogs when the humans go on holiday, then of course with their owner's permission they have treats as well. Right, okay. So there's the other jacket potatoes there, and then some vine ripened tomatoes and some piccolo tomatoes, absolutely yummy. Why are you breathing like that? Because you're excited because you haven't had a treat, isn't it? Eh? Is it? Now you're quiet. Because do you feel embarrassed? Teddy? Teddy? Do you feel embarrassed? Okay, so there's the yellow pepper I was talking about, and then we've got some of the Laughing Cow. Are they the blue ones? Oh. Do you know, I think Chris has picked up the wrong ones. I can't see them. Yeah, so we picked up the big one, 24, and then there was one I said, oh, could you pick up the blue cheese one? But obviously we hadn't, so there you go, never mind. There's some more of the baby bells and soft cream cheeses, so it's just the smooth plain one, and then the black pepper, which is delicious. Some more yogurts, so this is salted caramel cheesecake flavour, toffee, smooth toffee and banana custard flavour. Some of the cheese slices for when the kids want burgers. Some Morrisons spreadable butter. Another yogurt, the Miller Corner one, strawberry shortcake, and then we've got the red cherry, and another one of the sort of caramel cheesecake flavour yogurt, and another strawberry. Then across here I've got 4 packs of smoked back bacon and 200 grams of smoked salmon slices. Here a gammon joint, as you can see, £10.62. I'll have gammon and like the baby potatoes and salad, and an extra large chicken, and it's going to be something very similar but maybe with jacket potato and salad. Eggs, 2 cartons of the 12 large free range eggs, and these sausages, well, the chipolatas, 2 of these, so they're the old English pork chipolatas, so I've got 2 packs of those, a pack of, what are these? These are sweet clems, easy peelers. Another sugar-free jelly, that one's a strawberry flavour, 2 boxes paracetamol, more dog treats over here. This is the little nuggets, you can see they're like this, in the boar flavour, chicken with carrot sticks, their favourite they are, and this one is buffalo sticks. Oh, I don't think I showed you the crisps. So I've got a box of 22 packets of crisps, Walker's crisps, so these are the classic ones. So you've got 6 cheese and onions, 6 ready salted, 6 salt vinegar, and 5 prawn cocktail. And then finally over here, because some like donuts, some don't like all the blooming donuts with jam in, you know, so I had to get something different. They've all wobbled around a little bit, so I need to open it and lay them out a little bit better. So you've got the ring donut, chocolate ring donuts, you've got 4 chocolate muffins, and then you've got 4 of the chocolate cookies. This was £3, which I didn't think was bad, and that go down very well with the children. So yes, that is everything in this Morrisons shop. Hi, it's me again. So that was my Morrisons haul. It came to £175 and pence, but there are fair few luxuries in there, as you can see, and the cost of the meat, you know, like the gammon joint, etc. It was quite an expensive shop, but we don't always, you know, spend that because we've got the grandkids coming down. It's a little bit different. Chris has just made me a coffee there, look. So I hope you've enjoyed this shopping haul. I personally love to watch them, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I absolutely love it. Go on, press that subscription thingy-majig button there, that red one. I'll talk to you in the next one. Take care everyone, won't you? Bye. Bye-bye.